on my small ceramic tiles. I'm actually doing these pieces because I finished all the purple pieces I made in this size. So hello and welcome back to my channel. I am sweating a lot today. It is currently, let's see, it's 34 degrees. Yeah, I just want to document all the process and all the ups and downs and like what I struggle with this particular project, so people might get inspired and they feel like, I don't know, doing mosaics as well, or ceramics, creating their own ceramic tiles. I think for each flower I will try something a little bit different, because this flower here is actually pretty easy. It's time consuming, but it's easy compared to some of the flowers I'm planning to do for the future, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, so hopefully you want to follow me in this adventure. In that case, like and subscribe. I'm gonna start working on my balcony. I started actually with my column. It's right there. Look at it. Look at it. Just needs grouting, but I need like a full day of time to do that. So editing Irini over here. Unfortunately, I lost the footage of me grouting the column, but I still wanted you to see the final result. So here it is. So for today, we're gonna try and decide what kind of design, how we're going to compose our flowers for the outdoors balcony. These flowers are inspired by the Palace of Knosho, but in that palace they only use them as framing for like entrances, and nobody notices them because everybody's too busy looking at the dolphins and the main frescoes, so they get lost and nobody notices them. So I decided my balcony is gonna start with these flowers, but they are gonna be like the main character, and not only are they going to be the main character, but I made them in 3 different colors and 3 different sizes, because why not? Just for reference, here you can see I've only used petals for this one, and I just wanted to make like a spiral, and it's gonna look better when I'm done with the grouting. These flowers right here will be used only for like the first part of the balcony, like until here, and then behind that it will be another flower. I'm not sure. It's here. So basically all the balcony, all of it, like here, all of this, all of this, all of this, although we have to fix the windows, and then all around it will all be mosaic. Sorry for the mess. Oh, look at that. Look at that sad plant right there. All of it, even the ceiling one day will be mosaic, so you know it's a big project. Okay, so this is the sketch I made for the first piece of my project outside. It will be this area here, but I'm not sure I actually want it like this. This was just spitballing. So I don't know if you can kind of see them. There we go. It will go kind of like this. Now I'm not sure if these will be flowers as well, filled with flowers, or if it'll be just a contrasting color because the background will be blue just to match the beautiful sea. I think now I'll just bring all these tiles outside so I can start and planning them on the cupboard on the floor. So here I have like an example. I think this will be done for the first line here. I may just do it all light blue and then change color. I wasn't sure, but I just confirmed it by looking at my previous project, which is the column. So if you look, the bottom is actually purple, and then we go light blue, and then finally dark blue. So I need to recreate the same thing outside. The bottom, all of these light blues, no, scratch that. It will be the same, but with the purple ones, purple grayish, and then the light blue will be up here, and then dark blue at the very top. I think I will stop here for today, or maybe for the afternoon, because now it's getting really hot. The sun is just hitting the balcony, so I need a break so I don't melt, literally. If you managed to reach the end of this video, thank you so much. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.